Hello there, welcome to Pallikudam Smart Boards. This is Dhanya taking you through some smart updates for all stakeholders in education. From this episode, we have a new segment called Smart News that highlights a couple of unique and momentous innovations of each week. So let's have a look at the smart news of this week. Batteries. They play numerous important roles in our everyday life. They exist in our phones, cars, laptops, and other electronic appliances. It's impossible for us to think a life without them. But do you know that the lithium batteries that power our electronic devices and electric vehicles have a few drawbacks? The electrolyte, the medium that enables electrons and positive charges to move between the electrodes, is a flammable liquid. And lithium they are made of is a limited resource that is the focus of major geopolitical issues. So it is not entirely crazy to expect that by 2030 or so, electric vehicles will be the default option for new car purchases around the world. However, specialists in crystallography at the University of Geneva have developed a non-flammable solid electrolyte that operates at room temperature. It transports sodium, which is found everywhere on Earth, instead of lithium. It's a winning combination that also means it is possible to manufacture batteries that are more powerful. Let me add one more amazing innovation on batteries. Spinach, a hearty green vegetable packed with nutrients. But researchers at the American University have found that it can power batteries. The researchers converted the leafy form into carbon nanosheets that help to accelerate an oxygen reduction reaction in fuel cells and metal air batteries. Experts believe that the plant-based innovation could be used to power anything from electric cars to smartphones and military equipment. Now let's go through the headlines of Pallikudam Smart Boards this week. First, we will see smart parents. A new study by Monash University provides new hope for children suffering from rare muscle diseases. Having a pet at home was found to reduce psychological stress during lockdown, according to a study done by the University of York and the University of Lincoln. When disagreements between parents and grandparents over raising children intensifies, parents are likely to limit the time children see the grandparents, says a finding by CS Moore Children's Hospital National Poll on Children's Health at Michigan Medicine. Researchers at Rutgers University Business School find that the job satisfaction of working parents improved in COVID lockdown phase. Early introduction of gluten may prevent celiac disease in children. Smart teachers. According to a report from UCL researchers, 77% of teachers think that if testing and inspection go ahead in primary schools as normal, the most disadvantaged pupils will be unfairly penalized. An expert from the University of Manchester has developed a new tool to help students to learn effectively online. A study done by Norwegian University of Science and Technology confirms that choosing handwriting over keyboard use yields the best learning and memory. A new study finds that video games are capable of improving the cognitive abilities of children long after they stop playing it. Students quizzed over lessons taught at least once a week tend to perform better on midterm and final examinations. Smart students. Scientists at Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology have developed a new technology, a highly flexible but sturdy wearable piezoelectric harvester to embed electronic devices in fabric. Scientists at University of Geneva, UNIL and ETH Zurich have artificially developed anti-reflective coating by mixing retinine and wax on different kinds of surface. A new study by ARIES of DST suggests new formula to help estimate the mass of black holes. An international collaboration of data scientists and pharmaceutical industry experts describes the impact that COVID-19 is having on clinical trials and reveals how latest machine learning approaches can help to overcome challenges that the pandemic presents. A software created by scientists at the University of Cambridge and Loom VR Limited allows researchers to walk inside and analyze individual cells. Smart Edu Leadership. Professor Edward Byrne, President and Principal of King's College London, has been awarded a knighthood in the Queen's Birthday Honours. Historic MOU signed between ISLRTC and NCERT to make education material accessible for deaf children in their preferred format of communication. Nominations invited for National Awards for Science and Technology Communication for 2020. The Blue Blocks Montessori School in Hyderabad files a record 5 patents. MIT economist David Autor has been named the recipient of the Haynes 25th Special Recognition Award. Smart Edu Policy. Maharashtra government has decided to implement the policy of compulsory Marathi education in schools across the state. Uttarakhand state level consultation meet held on the National Science, Technology and Innovation Policy 2020. DST collaborates with IBM to build STEM career opportunities for girl students. Scientific data sharing given highest attention through India's National Data Sharing and Accessibility Policy. Caltech suspends GRE requirement for 1 year. Smart Edu Services. CDAC signs MOUs with premier academic institutions to establish supercomputing infrastructure. Australian universities reduce courses on fund crisis. A new website features podcasts from around MIT. Education Minister inaugurates new facilities at IIT Roorkee. Caltech launches Caltech Together to communicate public health guidelines that help reduce transmission of COVID-19. Please read all these articles in detail on our website www.pallikudam.com. We'll be back next week with a new set of updates. Meanwhile, follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel to have more stories from Pallikudam. Thank you. Bye.